Well, that episode ended anonymously. That's even the right word to use. Creeper just notices me. Sheesh. That worked. Yay, sunrise. Break off, skeleton. My god, just go away. Stop causing me troubles. So many apples, I may as well bring up all of my hunger. I wish hunger didn't go this fast on Minecraft. Don't understand. La, 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 la. Okay, let's go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Oh, go up. See, hunger, like, I've already lost a hunger bar. With this keeping inventory upon death option, it's awesome. Like, I don't even need to set up this huge base at spawn, which really helps me, so I really like this feature. Leg. Just gonna lay down here. So, George, I think that you should try out my map, and you'll see who's gonna be the crybaby then. Whenever it's out. Actually, I'm probably gonna put out a thing for the demo, and you'll see. Oh yeah, you'll see. It's not gonna be as easy as you think. Whoa, leg. Sorry. Like I said in my first Let's Play, if there's a lag spike, I'll change it. I'll change the difficulty. Sorry, I'll have to. Guess I'm pretty much here anyways. Okay, let's see my options. Lonely Cavern. I'm gonna do the Lonely Cavern. Eat an apple. I think George told me to check out the water on this level. On this side, the Fountain of Youth. Always. 4 monsters actually spawned. I'm gonna name that creeper after my brother, Josh. Eh. You know what? In payback for that chest you named after me, I'm gonna hide something in my map for you. Dun dun dun. You'll see. Just tell me on the forums if you're gonna play my map, okay? I would really appreciate it. I don't see anything in the water. Oh. No. Oh, I'm drowning, I'm drowning, I'm drowning. George, I don't see anything. Let's head up here. Power miner. Doesn't have much power. He didn't make any rules on leaving the map, so... Let's spawn point. I wonder why there's so many lighting glitches up here. Ooh, it's this location. It's this one. The one where there's no wool in sight. Is this the intersection? I think I found the intersection. The sad thing is my computer can't handle more than one mod. And I like mods. I see a chest. I think this is the secret chest. I found this secret chest before. On my last Let's Play. Go away for Pete's sake. Oh, wow. Oh my god, it's that villager zombie again. That's funny, in the exact same place on my last Let's Play I encountered a villager zombie. My god, that's too awesome. Live off experience beads. Ooh, that guy flew far. Thank you. Hate skeletons. Let it rain experience. Leg. Oh, dropped a bow. Is it enchanted? Is it enchanted? It's a bad bow.